My confirmed person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This na Favors blog. I will bring you Open Heavens Devotional for Pidgin English. For today will be Saturday, the 28th day of September 2024. Our topic today now Destiny Destroyers Part 3. Our Bible reading, it comes from the book of Proverbs chapter 6 from verse 6 go reach 11. We go read them together. Lazy people, make una learn lesson from the way ants they live their life. Them not get leader, governor or who they rule them, but them they store their food for dry season. They wait for when rainy season go start. But now for how long that lazy man go take lie down for bed? When he go ever get up? He go say, make I just sleep, make I fold my hand, make I rest small. But as they sleep, everything when he get go vanish, like say na thief carry them go. Our memory verse for today now for Proverbs chapter 18 verse 9. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 9. Lazy person, bad like person when they destroy things. When we enter today's message, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to touch the notification bell. Don't worry, you know the bite person. Today I go continue my teaching on the different things where they destroy destinies. When we first start to the build redemption city, I know some bricklayers wey for don't get money by now. I wish they don't dey lazy. God be don't set them up for place where be like say they go take get great success, but their laziness rob them of that opportunity. Beloved, may you not dey lazy. When I meet some pastors who start the same time as me, they're going to tell me, say, God, they good to you. God, they good to you. Truly, God, they gracious to me. But then, nobody go fear accuse me, say, I dey lazy. God go supply you with grace when you need to take fulfill your destiny. But if you dey lazy, the grace go to waste because you don't go use them. Many people don't pray for open doors, but when the door open before them, they don't go gree waka enter inside because of their laziness. For inside today Bible reading, they tell us make we go learn from the ants as they provide their meat and they gather their harvest at the right time. Nowadays, some people don't make excuses to hide their laziness. They get different way they call it now, like exhaustion, procrastination, and so on and so forth. When person they always they disregard the things when he or she supposed to they do when they ought to do them, the simple way to call that thing that laziness. For instance, if person supposed to come out around 8 o'clock for morning, but God decide to stay there for bed and don't go bath, no, you don't go wear a clothes, no, you don't even iron the cloth by 7:30, that's the laziness. When you read Proverbs chapter 24, from verse 30 go reach 34, you go see the major danger of laziness. Laziness not just a destroy destiny at once, like you just destroy agboa. No, that's small. If you dey lazy, you go look back at your life after some time and you go realize, say, you did far from the things when you don't set out your heart to achieve. My beloved, make you pursue any form of laziness come up for your life. Banish shall not get anything to do with laziness. Bible talk inside Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 11 say, time and chance that they happen to everybody. If you dey lazy, when your time come, you go likely dey for bed dey sleep. Not allow small sleep to destroy your destiny. Good sleep dey very important for your health too, and your general well-being. Not be that one with the talk, but not oversleep or no sleep when you supposed to dey work. Don't allow little sleep to destroy your destiny. Get up and go work. Your destiny and that of many other people, they depend on your effort when you put for life. What will be our action point for today? What all of us go do now be say, you go take note of the signs of laziness when dey your life and you go stop them today. Now here we come to the end of today's message. Don't forget, so the topic we will consider today are Destiny Destroyers Part 3. And now from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional book, that will take today's message. And this Open Heavens Daily Devotional book, now book will be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And now on top this Betalicious channel, Favors blog, now you take receive today message. We want to thank all our subscribers, but I beg, if you dey watch us and you never subscribe yet, help us like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you don't subscribe, thank you, but also don't forget to like this video and of course share this video so that it go far. Sanctuary of God's Love Mission, aka Champions Chapel, they invite you to their Jubilee Life Celebration 2024, and the theme now, a mighty Pentecost. The date now from a Monday 23rd of September to Sunday 29th of September 2024. The time now 4 p.m. daily and 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. The venue now 4446 Ojugo Street off Giwamu Road, Warri, Delta State. Reverend Dr. John and Pastor Mrs. Hope Eze and other anointed ministers of God, they tender to give you God's word as it is hot. We want to thank you when you listen to us to the very end of this video. I beg, like what we talk, don't forget to like this video and share. And if you hear comment, I beg, drop the comment for the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe so that anytime we drop video, you could be one of the first person to know say better than Shelley on top Favors blog. Or to come your way to another video, make it better for you, my person.